Listen, just because our parents didn't treat us right or wasn't in our life doesn't give us an excuse to mess up our own life. Why we wouldn't want to do that? If anything, that is to give you the opportunity to be a testimony to somebody who have went through some of the same things you went through. The purpose for us going through the trauma that we have in our lives is to be a testimony to somebody else who's going through the same thing. But we can't help nobody if we end up committing suicide and killing ourselves. We can't help nobody if we are not trying to get the help to deal with the things that we have to deal with in our lives. So family, the point of this message that I'm giving you is to change is to find out exactly who you are and who you are in God and what purpose God has for you in your life. And this is just facts. This is real talk. I need you, family, to renew your mind.